Another morning here at Suarez HQ. Right, we've got, what have we got? Let me tell you what we've got. We've got a guy coming at about 11 o'clock. Let's get the doors open. He's coming for a look around. Retired artist, big fan. So we're going to give him the proper full fat tour of Suarez HQ today. And I know he's got some questions to ask, so it's nice to give a little back. So hopefully we're going to have a chat to that chap when he comes today. And we are also delivering a painting out not too far away, and it's going to be this one. Robots Don't Cry. I'm sorry, Dave. I can't do that. There you go. One for all the Stanley Kubrick fans. Or should I say 2001: A Space Odyssey. Okay, right. That's my HAL 9000 reference. Good. Excellent. Let's make a start.
All I gotta do is sort out the bag for our new lights. Picked up some new lights. As you can see, they're quite bright. Now, I'll show you on the back. Is here tells you the Kelvin range. So that's for your brightness, and then this one is the Kelvin range. Now this is to change colour from sort of an orangey colour, 3200 Kelvin, to a bright white, 5600, and that does make a difference to the artwork. So it changes the artwork in which the colour, which one the colour is. So I'm going to use these for taking when we go to see clients, but I want to fit them in one of my boxes from one of our other lights. So I'm just going to cut some bits and pieces out and just sit them in there, I think. One out for delivery today, so I'm going to get that wrapped up now. Right, just going to make a frame up. It's a 150 by 120. Make that up now. For a very special client.
Okay, we're gradually ticking things off the list. So I've got the Patreon paintings ready to go. A couple with FedEx, a couple with UPS. They're going to be collected tomorrow. Some collectors around the globe going to be very, very happy to receive those. Right, next up, where am I taking this? Into the van. Have I got a van key? No, I haven't. Right, van key, then load the van. Right, that's what we got to get on the van, which AD wrapped up earlier. Let's go see how he's getting on out here, because he's stretching up a painting. And it is 13 degrees, wow. I think it's been 13 degrees for, well, forever. How are you getting on, buddy?
Yeah, have to crack out the new iron.
Woo!
I've forgotten to blow the other one out.
Ah, yes, the new iron. He's giving that a bit of a road test. Excellent. Yeah, looking forward to seeing this put round its frame.
Yeah.
Cool, so he's going to get that done. I'll get the van loaded. And then I think we're not doing too bad really, mate, are we?
That's it. Head off to the client.
It's actually quite a nice day out, you know. Dare I say, it's a little bit warmer outside than it is inside. How bizarre. Okay, well, I've got the van loaded up. We're taking the one out today. Although I have noticed before we depart, though, there's quite a bit of broken glass on the floor. From where they empty the bins. Oh well, let's get rid of that while AD's finishing up with the painting stretching, I guess. Now the exciting bit. Right then. Okay. Painting. There we go. There we go, done, done and done. Well, that looks pretty awesome. Nice spot above the radiator there. Client's absolutely loving it, which is superb. That's what we like. Another happy client. Time for us to call it a day, I think. And one of the many things we're doing at the moment, just to tie up a few loose ends, so to speak, is for me to photograph this new silver and gold painting, which is called Galena. Great name, which is all to do with silver. So I've been keeping it in the room, which is temperature controlled. You can just see over there, which is where all the timber is kept. And this is because it's we wanted to cure it a little bit longer. This is a particularly unusual combination of silver, so it has required a little bit of extra curing, which means it's been important just to keep it in a stable environment, particularly as it's been quite cold here recently. So I've just pulled it out of the room to photograph it, so that's now done. It is stable enough to photograph. I think another couple of weeks, maybe over the holidays, that should be good to go. But that's done for now, so at some point I'll get that photoshopped and onto the website, but for now it's got to go back in that room. It's going to be fun.
Some stuff out of the way, but we're building a rack to be able to put the Patreon squares on. So I reckon it's cue the time lapse.
There we have it. We've either made a genius rack for storing the Patreon paintings, or, as my colleague will now demonstrate, the world's worst guitar.
No, I'm thinking Suarez harp. That's what I'm thinking. No, bass guitar.
Bass guitar. Maybe you can learn to do slap bass.
Yeah.
Although I wouldn't like to carry that out on stage, if I'm honest.
James Bond theme, didn't you hear it?
Was it? Yeah, I could tell. Yeah. I just don't want to see the size of the amplifier that goes with it.
No, that's it.
Right, we'll go and get that in position, start putting some art on it. And there we have it, folks. Our Patreon painting special storage solution is a winner. Actually, having seen these on the floor as individual tiles, I like them even better now. They're all in nice, neat rows. I think that must really appeal to my chi. Well, to both of us, actually. There's still a space for two, but we've sent five out already from the series of 102. But in there, believe it or not, are 97 original artworks. And if you're interested on how to get one, then I'll pop a link to our Patreon site down in the description. Go check it out, guys, and very soon you could be the recipient of one of these amazing, strictly limited, part of a set of 102 original Suarez paintings. Well, folks, that time has come. What can I see by the dumpster? It's the very, very first sign I ever had made, and I think That was back in 2000 and, I'm going to say 10. So a good 11 years old. Sadly, it has seen better days. And it's just starting to look disintegrate now, the whole board. So, I'm afraid, bye-bye Suarez, it's time for the bin. Oh, that's better. I do like a nice, tidy, clean floor. We've now got the Patreon paintings out of the way, which is job well done. That's been on my job list for, seems like forever. Okay, looking good. Floor's been done in here. Ooh, got a painting to put on there.
I'm going to go and get prepped up now as to what we're doing for tonight. We've got to take the last week's piece out. We've left it there as long as we possibly could. So we're going to take that out and get prepped up for tonight. Always look on the bright side of life.
Well, time to get the iron out. People don't believe me when I say I have to iron the paintings, but ready for tonight's live stream. Canvas has got a few little ripples in it. So now I'm going to steam them out. Right, good evening everybody. Welcome to the gallery at Suarez headquarters here in a very dark Stroud. We arrived here in the dark and we're going to be leaving here in the dark. We're going to bring you the most amazing live stream tonight. I'm very excited. Oh, this is going to be nice. Because, folks, what we're going to do, we're going to let this do its thing. Do you know what I mean? Well, and then I'm going to come over to that one. It's going to do its own thing. We're going to leave this to have some fun with itself. Right, so I'm going to get the thinner sprayed at the top because I want some of that paint volume to start running. We're going to give that all a lovely spray. I don't mind how much that moves, doesn't move, whatever. We're just going to leave that to have some fun. So we'll be coming back to that. So let's get the handle turned. Here we go. We're moving. Tell me where else you can see this on the internet. I'll tell you right now, you can't. We're the only people crazy enough to do it. And we do it because we love it, and you're here because you know we're awesome. It's as simple as that, an easy equation. Right, folks, that's where we're going to leave it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. It has been awesome to have you here. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed what we've been doing here. And we can't wait to see you next week. Don't be late. You don't want to miss anything. I'm serious. Don't miss it.
There we go. 2 paintings done. A Christmas in Baja
Yeah.
and a Christmas in the Swiss Alps.
Yeah, I know which one I'd take. No, actually, I don't know. I suppose if the lodge was nice, the Swiss Alps would be pretty cool.
Yeah, it would, yeah.
Not that I ski or anything, but you could just stay in the lodge and watch everybody else getting cold and freezing.
There is that.
Or, yeah, imagine going to Baja or Mexico or somewhere like that for Christmas.
Yeah.
The sun, where you can actually see the sun.
Yeah. You know, where it's 80 degrees and beautiful blue skies and blue surf and your golden sands.
Oh, stop!
Right, well, in the meantime, though, time to get wrapped up, time to go home.